Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to lock Chrome browser with password. First of all, open Chrome. Select your profile to continue. Search here, Lock PW. Then click to add it on Chrome. Add its extension on Chrome. Open it from Extensions. Then click on Next. Enter the password for protection. After entering the password, click on Save. Turn on the auto lock option. Set the lock time after 5 seconds. Now the password protection is turned on. Go back to the desktop. Refresh on desktop. Click on Chrome. Select your profile. It asks for the password to continue. Enter your password to log in. Then you can use Google. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.